Hello and welcome to proCode. In this video, we are going to learn about list and tuple. Here we have our file open and ready. So, what are lists? Python lists are containers to store a set of values or any data type. If I take an example of cars, so this is the syntax of writing a list. You need to close it in a square bracket, and then you can enter multiple data types over here. So like car, in cars there are Bugatti, then Tesla, then McLaren. Yes, so there we have our three cars, three data types over here, and so this is called a list. So if I print car, so you will see that our list has been printed. So this is the syntax of writing a list. And when you print a list, it will print the whole list. And now if list indexing is same as strings indexing also, which we have already learnt about. So it starts from 0 till the data type goes till the list ends. 0 1 2. So our the Bugatti is 0 and Tesla is 1 and McLaren is 3. So if I want to print only Tesla, what I will do is I will type in car, and then I will type the index of the data type which I am going to print in. So it is Tesla, so I'm going to write it 1, and I'm going to print it. So for now I'm going to comment it out, and you can see here Tesla is been printed. So this is how you slice a list in Python. And like if you want to print all Tesla and McLaren, what you will do is Tesla till 3 and 3. So it will print in Tesla and McLaren. So list slicing is not a big deal. So now we are going to study about some methods of list operation. What does methods do is just makes it easy to use strings, and does it quite nicely. So for now, so the first method is sort method. So the syntax of sort method is like you type in the variable name, then dot sort, and this is how the function does. So if I print car now, you will see that this list is being updated to the alphabetical form. But when I take an example of numbers here, you will see that if I take in 1, then 2, then 7, then 3, then 5, then 3. What it will do now, what it will do is it will there we go. Now what it will do is it will sort the list, so to make it in a very sorted way. So you can see here, if I take strings, so what it will do is it will go with the alphabetical form, and numbers, it takes in the ascending form. And the second type of method is called reverse method. So it's called reverse method. So what does what will reverse do is it will just make it is just the opposite of a sort method. So reverse method will just mirror the number line, or I say it will just reverse every the position of the numbers or the letters. So you can see how this works, and you can now the next one is called append. So append, what it will do is it will the value which will be entered within these brackets will be added to the list. So if I type in 9, so what it will do, it will add 9 to the number line list. As you can see here, it will add 9 to the number line. It adds 9 to the end of the number line. So dot append only works with, so if I type in more numbers like 2, it will show an error. So dot append only adds one value at a time. So you can understand, you can try it out by yourself. So now the next thing we are going to the next method is called pop. So what does pop do is pop deletes the element of element at index. At index here, what the index will be written over here. If I write in 2, so 0 1 2, so 7 will be deleted and it will be printed automatically. So if I run this, you can see that 0 2 3 and 5 is being is printed, but 7 is not printed. So now a remove method removes the value, not the index but the value itself directly. So if I write in 3, so all the 3's from this list will be deleted. So if I print this, so you can see that 3 is now deleted from the list. If I type in 5, so 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 will be deleted from the list. You can see here, if I type in 1, so 1 is deleted from the list. So now we will continue with the tuples. Here we'll continue with the tuples. So a tuple is an immutable data type in Python. Immutable means cannot change. So a tuple is a data which cannot be changed in Python. So the syntax of tuple is really very simple. The syntax of list is by using square brackets, but in tuples it is round brackets. In tuples, if the values entered, so it will be unchangeable, or it will not be possible to manipulate with such methods. Like in list we use some methods to alter the list without changing the list directly, but indirectly using some method. So we cannot do this with tuples, the list, the values of the list. So if I print this, so now I'm going to print this, print num. So you can oh, so the print the and now here we will we'll type in the value. So not the index of the value, but the value itself. So if I type in 2 in this brackets, so what it will do is I don't even have to type in print, but what it will do, it will print the occurrence of 2's in this tuple. So if I print this, so now what I will do is I will print num. Now you can see that yes. So you can see that now when I have print now if I print it, you can see the there is only one there is the occurrence of 2's in this tuple is only one time. So this is how you use it. So there is not a big deal in this thing. Now what I will do is the next thing is called index. So the index method tells the index of the value which is written over here. So if I just run this, you can see that the index of 2 is 1. If I type in 7, so the index of 7 is 2. So 0 1 2. So so thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my later videos.
Look at the future.